I remember back in school, there was this time when they said when it touched 27 degrees and we were talking about global warming. We are touching close to 40 now.
Even right now when I was driving, my car showed me that the air quality is poor.
Now with the development coming in, all the trees are gone.
I've always wanted to transition to an electric vehicle, something that is greener.
I have a EV, it's an Exxon, very nice car.
My running cost comes down to less than ₹1 with the electric car. Now when I go ahead and even make that power source coming from solar power, I've zeroed out that entire cost.
The electricity bill used to be very high, and especially in summer, it used to be 40,000, 45,000 rupees, which was quite expensive. Now my electric bill is around 16,000, 20,000 max.
I think I'm doing my bit with EV, with my solar installations that I've done at my hotel, at my house, at my farmhouse.
This is the transition that our country needs.
TATA.ev